Today I'm going to be reviewing EverBrite's Christmas lantern set. I want to thank EverBrite for sending this to me. They do lights, they do flashlights, and now they do lanterns. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. All right, here we go. Really cute. Not huge. Here's a little can here, as you can kind of see the size. There's my hand. Very small, but really cute. Not terribly tiny. Now, these come with batteries. So it just has a little pull tab. I just did the Santa so you can see with it. 5 modes on each. This is how it works. So you lift it up, you get one color light. There's a different that's red. Hopefully that's coming through. There's green. There's blue. And then there's the final light. So that's what they look like. Really nice. And these do the same thing. I haven't pulled the pull tab, but the tops just go up and that switches the color. So if you're looking for really cool like lanterns for Christmas, this might be the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.